Is your iPhone stock at 80% charging and won't go beyond? Don't worry, in this guide, I will show you how to fix the 80% charging limit not working issue step by step. First, launch your Settings app. Now scroll down and navigate to the option Battery, then select Charging. Here, make sure the 80% charge limit or optimized battery charging toggle is turned on. This feature helps protect your battery health by slowing down charging after 80%. If this didn't fix your issue, check location settings. For that, head back to the main page of settings, navigate to the option Privacy and Security. Now click on the option Location Services, enable for the option Location Services, then scroll down, click on System Services, scroll down and enable for the option System Customization. Click on the option Significant Location and Routes, enable for this option. With this, your issue might be fixed, but still you're having the issue, you can reset all settings. For that, head back, navigate to the option General, scroll all the way down and click on the option Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset all settings and go through the process. After the reset is complete, go back to Settings, Battery, Charging and enable Optimize Battery Charging again, and that's it. These steps should fix the 80% charging limit not working on your iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.